Hi guys, happy Friday. Thanks for joining me here today. Well, today was supposed to be a master bedroom decorate with me video for fall, but this morning I had to run a couple errands and I'm driving down the road and I was like, I don't want to go to the grocery store. That's where I needed to go. I wanted to pick up some fresh fruits and vegetables. And I'm like, nah, let's take a detour list. You know, I love to talk to myself. And I'm driving and I'm like, oh, squirrel, there's Ross. And then, oh, squirrel, there's Home Centric. You know, I'm a little squirrely. And so I took a detour and decided to go those places first. Did I get into some trouble? Yeah. I get out of the car, I get my cart, and I'm going through the doors. And I see this lady, and she is working on like a tiered display area. You know, where you display decor. And she's putting out all these fall things and it's just beautiful. And I'm trying like to just kind of watch what she's doing because I literally spotted 3 things right off the bat that I wanted, but it was in the area she was working. So I was like, excuse me, could I know you're working on that and it looks beautiful, but could I have that, and that? And she said, well, sure, you know, that's why I do it. So she was like handing me the things to put in my cart. And I kept running into her throughout the store and everything she was putting together was beautiful. And we got to talking about decor and decorating and fall. And she's like, come here, let me show you this. Have you seen this? Did you see that? I'm like, yeah, I'll take that. I'll take that. And the great thing about Home Centric is their prices. Their prices are super, super good. And I will tell you, I am a home goods gal. I love home goods. But I will tell you, I love going in Home Centric because things are organized better. You can see the vision. And when they put together these beautiful displays, it really helps you envision it on the table you're going to use, the hutch, the shelf, and it's like a light bulb moment. I know exactly where that piece is going to go. Whereas at other places, things are so disheveled and stuff, you're like, should I buy that? Should I not? And you get it home and you're like, why did I get that? So anyway, I love that store. Love the prices, love how they display things. So Miriam, if you're watching, thank you. Thank you for creating such beautiful displays so that women like myself and others can just walk into the store and we're just kind of taken back by the beautiful display. So thank you for doing what you do. You do a great job. So when I first walked in Home Centric, she was placing these and a little chicken. It's so cute. So I saw these and I thought those are so cute. And I always look for items that have options. So you could literally put a huge LED flameless flickering candle. You can add in some fall florals. $12.99, $14.99. You can place these on your hearth. You could elevate one and sit one lower and then have the candles glowing at night. You could set these on the tabletop somewhere and do a beautiful display, but these are really pretty. I love them. I am obsessed with chickens and roosters. So when I saw this one, I thought it was adorable and I thought I could incorporate it in with my fall decor. But I like how it almost has like a little bit of a whitewashed effect on it. Very cute. And it almost looks like a basket weave, if you guys can see. But you know, you could add some fall florals. There are options with this. Then I came across this. Is this not cute? It's a wooden pumpkin. It was $17.99. It's a good size and good quality. So I didn't flinch because it's good quality. I love it. I came across this handcrafted wood pumpkin. It is adorable. Isn't it cute? I just loved it. So can you see the little wood slats? So cute, and only $14.99. Again, look at the size of it. It's a great size. Then I came across this beautiful throw blanket. This is gonna go in the master bedroom. I can't wait to show you what I'm gonna do with it, but it's so beautiful and it's soft and I love I just love the color. Then I came across this little chain link. It's so cute. And I got a wood tray to set it in as sort of a decorative piece, but I love it. Speaking of wood pieces, I found this big, beautiful tray, and I got this for our master bedroom. You'll see why when we decorate next week. I can hardly wait to do the master bedroom decorate with me because it's gonna be so fun. Okay, I got this pillow that says thankful, but I'm not gonna use that side. I'm gonna use this side, and it goes so well with this beautiful blanket, you know? You'll see. I got this beautiful pillow for my bed. So I have this pillow and this pillow plus the throw. And then I got this beautiful blanket ladder. Check it out. It is such good quality. You can see it's tall. I'm only 5'2", and you can see 5'2", it's tall. Look how rustic this is. It's just beautiful. And the best part, you guys, it was only $39.99, which is a steal of a deal for blanket ladders. And they have them in this color, white, black, and then there was like a darker stain, but a little bit of a different shape. But they have several to choose from. Then I got this beautiful throw blanket. I love it. I love it because my bedroom's sort of neutral. So this will most definitely be hanging somewhere on this ladder. See, won't that be pretty? I got this wreath. Actually, I got this from Home Centric, but it was like last week. But I'm including a few of the items from last week in this haul. But it's pretty. Okay, next up, when I saw these, I'm like, that's different. Normally I see the smaller beads. So when I saw the larger ones with the little tassels on the end, I thought that could be really cute on a table or a wood bowl. Very, very different. So I love this, and it was only $12.99. Came across this. I don't know, I thought this would be kind of cute in my daughter's room for fall. You can drape these kind of like a garland. You can do all kinds of things with these. Hang them over a picture, on a tabletop. Sky's the limit. And by the way, Miriam, who was the lady that I was talking to there, she was pointing out different things to me, and she pointed this out. This is a 6-foot autumn garland, and look how cute this is. It's like the little squishy balls with the wood ones right there. And look at the detail on the pumpkin. And when I saw this, you know who came to mind? Olivia Effie. And I'm gonna link her below. I've mentioned her before. She is so talented. She's much younger than I am, but I'm telling you that young lady has a lot of talent, and she inspires me a lot. So she always does really cute like banners and drapey things on some of her decor. So when I saw this, I'm like, oh, that reminds me of Olivia. And I got it. And then I got this wreath. It was $12.99. Look how pretty. I really, really am drawn to these dried pieces. They just look so beautiful. Like you just went out in nature, grabbed a bunch of this, and then hot glued it together. It's just beautiful. Love it. And then I got this one. Isn't this one pretty? So you can see the difference. This one's a little bit more lighter and muted, and this one is just all out fall. Vibrant, beautiful fall. When I saw these, I thought, now those are different, and you could use them 2 different ways. So check it out. What I was drawn to was the top of it. With the finial, I thought that was so pretty. So I wasn't initially thinking of using it kind of as a hanging lantern, but you can clearly see there's a space to put like an LED candle in there. So I was thinking I could put these on either side of my bed where I have my hanging lights and try to rig a light in each of these. Or I could simply take this off, you know, take it off, and then I could use these on a tabletop where I elevate one a little bit higher and one lower and put, oh my goodness, I'm thinking of things I could do. I could put one of my Edison bulb lights in each of them. Can you imagine how beautiful the light would look cast on the wall through these little holes? So that's an option. We'll see what I do. I'm gonna have to play. Then I came across this white sort of distressed shelf, and I thought it was different and unique. And then up top, it almost looks like a tray. But you guys, just take a stab at how much you think this was. Take a guess. It was only $9.99. You know how hard it is to find a shelf like this for that price? It's difficult. But anyway, I had this idea to put this in my room and bring in the warmth of the wood by doing this. Okay, so I don't know if this is gonna work out, but my plan as of right now is to take this beautiful wood tray and sort of use it as a backdrop. You know, my room's neutral. I've got the creams and the whites and the beiges, and I was thinking I could set this in here, right? Maybe slightly angle it, and then add this one. Isn't that cute? I loved the handles on it. So I kind of want to do something like, so hard to show you. I want to have two of them like this, maybe a fall arrangement on the other side with something kind of spilling over the edge that's fall related. So yeah, we'll see what I do next week. These are heavy. Then I got this Farmer's Market Botanicals, and I thought, well, with one of my wood trays, I could scatter this in the bowl and do something pretty, and it smells good. It smells like cinnamon. And then I got this beautiful glass pumpkin, super pretty. It was $14.99, and then I got two more. But I love the little stem on these. They're very cute. And I love the color. I got this huge white lantern. I can't wait to decorate. I'm thinking of putting fall, like a fall wreath in here and doing something fun. So stay tuned for that. So I found this beautiful, beautiful wreath at Ross. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at those colors. And then I got the matching garland, and the garland was only $19.99. I mean, when you think about some of the garlands and things you get at Hobby Lobby, we're talking double, triple the price. So I thought this was a great deal, and it's beautiful. Okay, you guys, then look what I found. When I saw this, I was like, get out of town. It was $14.99, and it's like a planter pot, and it's really good quality, and it's shaped sort of like a pumpkin. So I was like, oh my goodness, I could throw some fall colors in here, place it on a tabletop, or you could take it and put it outside. It's just too pretty. It's too pretty to put out there for me. Then I found some orange globe LED string lights. There. It was only $4.99. So again, a really good deal. Ross. I found this arrangement at Ross, and the purpley wreath and garland are probably going to go up in my home theater or media room, and I'll probably do something with this. But I thought this was pretty and different. Halloween, I don't do any ghoulish, scary, witches, that kind of stuff. For me, in our household, we just keep it fun with jack-o'-lanterns, pretty much, and that's it. So when I was at Ross, I saw these, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to get those. Those are so cute. So I found this black one, and it was $11.99. I don't know, I was thinking of putting my LED flameless flickering candles in here and then sticking like a beautiful fall wreath with some color. beneath it, black against vibrant colors, pops. So I got two, let me show you. One bigger one smaller one. And the smaller one was only $7.99. And then I found this little copper one. Isn't that cute? And that was $7.99. So I just got 3 of them. I don't know, I was thinking hutch, tabletop, something cute. Maybe some, you know, colored autumn lights. I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna do something fun with these. I can promise you that. One more thing escaped me from Home Centric, and it was this cute wall sign that says blessings, and it's got the wood trim around it. Except I'm not hanging it on the wall. You'll have to come back next week and see what I do with it. All right, sweet friends, that will wrap up my video for today. Come back and see me next week because I can hardly stand it. I can't wait to do the master bedroom decorate with me for fall. I've got lots of cute ideas. I think you guys are gonna love it. I really do. I also want to thank you guys for my wonderful comments you gave me on my last video. And I also want to personally thank each and every one of you that is supporting Donna's channel, Delightfully Southern. I mean, you guys are so good. You're good to me and you're so good to others. And I think I can speak for both of us in saying that we both truly appreciate it. All right, guys, I will see you next week. Have a great one. Mwah! Bye, guys.